So now that you've heard about cloud from these videos or maybe from advertisements on TV, I like to talk about how it can benefit you. And I like to pose some questions to you to see if you would be in the market to go to the cloud. One is, do you have old servers? Are they either old or underperforming and you either need to replace them or upgrade them? Then if you answered yes to that, cloud is a definite option. Number two, are you running out of space in your quote-unquote server room for all of the equipment that you need to buy or need to purchase to run your business? If you answered yes to that, you're another candidate for the cloud. Number three, are you finding that software licensing costs are a burden on your company? Again, if that's an issue and you answered yes to that question, you're definitely a candidate for the cloud. Number four, do you find that you have a lot of issues with connectivity or maybe the electrical issues at your place of business where you're losing power a lot because of storms and whatnot? If you've answered yes to that, you're definitely a candidate for the cloud. Now, granted, the cloud's not going to solve your electricity issues, but it will protect against harming the equipment that you have, and if you do have issues, you can always move to another location to work, such as a home office, maybe a remote office, what have you. Because if the power goes out in your location and your location houses the servers, then none of your other people can work, or maybe none of your other sites can connect. If you're in the cloud and the power's out at your location, only your location's affected. Granted, still an issue, but it's only confined to a single location. So if you've answered yes to that, again, you're a candidate for the cloud. So let's also talk about how the cloud's going to benefit you. One, it's very cost effective, like we talked about licensing costs, hardware costs. You don't have to incur those anymore. It's a subscription service. So you pay for what you need when you need it. Number two, it's much more reliable than housing your own equipment, like we spoke of just before. If you have power issues, don't have to worry about it. The cloud is always on, no matter where you are, even what kind of device you have, whether it be a laptop, a smartphone, or even a tablet device. And number three, it's scalable. Nowadays, if you grow, you have to add hardware, another cost. You have to add software, another cost. With the cloud, not only is it more cost effective because you're only paying for what you need, but it's a much quicker turnaround to get you scaled up, whether you're adding employees, maybe a department, adding another site. No matter what the case, the cloud is definitely easier to scale up in that situation. So if you have any more questions or want to talk more about it, please contact us. Please contact Connexus either via email at our info@connexususa.com address. You can contact Scott Bergman at 912-220-0042 or call our main office number at 912-225-1772. And we'd love to talk to you more about the cloud and help your company take advantage of the cloud. Thanks.